uJesu angisho mina ngimfundisa mina ngiyamthatha ngimisa bani ngimisa uJesu uyamtshela ukuthi hayi manje qhelisa lezi zinto lezi uJesu nakamtshela lokho lezi zinto sowuzenza ngoba there is a help of a spirit kuye akasazenzi as a religion into ayitshelwe abantu but soyenza ngoba there is a help of a spirit uJesu ukhulumile ngisho as umongcwele immediately uJesu angakhuluma amazwi akhe ayadala noma ungathi wena angeke ngihlukane nale boyfriend inhliziyo yakhe uNkulunkulu uyoyisusa kiyo uzosiza ukuthi asafanele kuba la ngoba yena immediately lelizwe alikhulumile ngisho sakhumbule uGenesis ukhuluma izwi lenza njani liyadala immediately uJesu angasho lelizwi then lona liyo create something in you and lisuse lento eyikhona oyithanda ngaleyo muntu lisuse enhlizweni yakho yabona already then so understand that the help of the Holy Spirit so understand la mazwi uJesu ashoyo ukuthi the helper is coming when the Spirit comes is the one that will guide you is the one that will guide you is the one that will guide you uyoguide akufundisa ukhetha izinto eziright akufundisa ukuhlala izinto ezingasight yena uzoguide we usher you unto him that is our assignment